Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. And this will be a relatively quick one. I was actually just in the middle of my in-home gym workout. I was rocking one of my cheap Casios here when the mail call arrived. I had this express shipped from Purolator, and I do believe that it contains my latest luxury watch purchase. It's going to be a Grand Seiko, so let's unbox this and see what's inside. Alright, so the outer box looks pretty good. Very similar to the Grand Seiko SBGN003 I already own. And there she is. This is the Grand Seiko SBGA 231, which is their titanium diver with spring drive. And not to be confused, they also have the SBGA 229, which is the stainless steel version here. The difference, of course, this being grade 5 titanium. It's pretty durable and very lightweight. It actually feels a lot lighter than the given dimensions would indicate. Let me just try and move the handset out of the way. And I'll also manually wind this a little just to get the power reserve meter to go a little bit more. Yeah, let me just check the quick date set. It's a little bit audible when you rethread the crown, but it finds the threads really well. Let's take a look at the bezel action. Oh yeah, it's got that Seiko buttery smoothness, but you can really actually feel the detents. Just a little bit of play there. And of course you got that gorgeous Zaratsu finishing. Just that really high, nice polish on the side of the case. Nice Grand Seiko logo embossed into the side of the crown there. Now off camera, I'm just going to quickly charge the lume here with my UV flashlight. And man, just look at that beautiful Seiko Lumibright glow. I don't know if this can compete with like a Seiko Tuna, but definitely very evenly applied. And you can see even in fairly light conditions, it's glowing like a torch. So now let me just give you guys a quick wrist shot so you can see how this guy wears on my wrist. Fortunately, the previous owner has a fairly similar wrist size. And there you go. And you can see just the way that the case shape just turns down to hug to your wrist. Leads to a lot of comfort. And even though this clasp is a little bit bulky, it does balance out the head of the watch very nicely. So definitely in the honeymoon phase of this guy, I will definitely provide a long-term update and review of this timepiece in the future. But I just want to thank you guys for checking out this quick unboxing. Stay safe, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video.